DIY Extreme Herbal Hair Growth Tonic for those who experience excessive hair fall, shedding, and visible scalp during wash day. Promotes healthy, thick hair growth, strengthens the hair follicles, gets rid of dandruff, itchiness of the scalp, flakiness, causes excessive shedding, breakage, and hair fall. Anyone experiencing hair horrors, balding, thinning, slow hair growth, dandruff, you need to make this loving herbal DIY hair growth tea. This is for you if you want to grow thicker, longer, fuller, healthier hair. You are a mom currently battling with postpartum hair loss. You are experiencing excessive hair shedding and your hair is falling out in huge lumps. Your hair is thinning, weak, and very brittle to touch. You've lost your edges and your hairline is sparse with little dots of the hair around. Your hair doesn't seem to be moving past a certain level and you are dealing with stunted hair growth. You deal with an itchy scalp, dandruff, or flaky scalp regularly. You've developed some bald spots or patches on your scalp. You need to make this DIY herbal hair tonic today. To begin, grab a jar like so. Make sure all apparatus to be used are well sterilized. And my first ingredient for today's recipe is cinnamon sticks. When applied to the scalp, cinnamon stimulates circulation. This could encourage hair growth and reduce hair loss. It also has antifungal properties which might help treat dandruff caused by malassezia, a type of fungus. You can use either the powder or the sticks. For the sticks, I'm using 2 sticks of the cinnamon. Moving on to my second ingredient, I've got rosemary leaves. These are the fresh ones. If you have the dried ones, feel free to use them. Rosemary contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that tend to stimulate hair growth and reduce hair fall. It also helps to reduce scalp inflammation. Moreover, it even helps stimulate blood supply to the hair follicles and strengthen the hair. It can help with other hair issues such as split ends and bring dandruff under control. For our third ingredient, I've got cloves. These are clove buds. It enhances blood circulation. Cloves have properties that can help stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicles activities and encourage hair growth. Rich in essential nutrients, cloves contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can nourish the hair follicles and support overall hair health. For the proportion, I measured out 1 tablespoon of the cloves. Moving on to our last ingredient, I've got black seeds. I will say it again and again. If you don't have these seeds or the sticks that I used, or even the rosemary leaves that I used, please feel free to use the powder or the dry rosemary leaves. I will say it over and over again for those of you who usually come to the comment section to ask me some questions. Black seeds naturally restores hair growth in thinning areas because of the high concentration in thymoquinone, a powerful antihistamine. Steeping black seed in hot water is the best way to reap benefits for your hair regrowth. After measuring out all of these ingredients, go ahead and pour about 500 ml worth of hot water into your jar and then cover up with foil paper, that is, if your jar have got the plastic lid. Allow this to sit on your tabletop, that is, at room temperature for 12 hours. After 12 hours, proceed to strain this using your sieve and a bowl to collect your filtrate. Then transfer into your spray bottle and this is ready for use. This powerful hair tonic is ready for use. You're on your way to no hair loss. If you're battling with postpartum hair loss, I suggest you keep on using this. Mamas in the house, this helps with postpartum hair loss. It minimizes your postpartum hair loss. If your hair is balding, please concentrate this on the problem areas like your bald spots, your crown section that are thinning. This product works like magic. Just use it consistently 2 to 3 times weekly. use it to hydrate your hair. I'm not saying you should rinse it off. I'm not saying you should shampoo your hair after using it. Just use it as a leave-in spray, after which you apply your moisturizers. That way it won't dry out to your hair. From 2 weeks of consistent use, you will definitely see results. That is if you're consistent. And then your problem areas, apply this on your bald spots. Massage your bald spots. Apply your hair growth oil to seal in this. Apply sparingly. I'm not saying you should use this to flood your scalp, because that will not be nice. Just apply sparingly. A drop or two on the bald spots is enough, and then go ahead and massage your scalp using your scalp massager or the pop of your fingers, whichever you prefer. This tonic, I repeat it again and again, it works like magic. You all are going to return to share your feedbacks with me. Please, if you have not checked out my cloves, moringa and hibiscus spray, do well to check it out. It's one of my highly viewed video on this channel. That product is doing wonders. A lot of you have shared a lot of feedbacks on the comment section of that video. Same with this product. I can't wait to have you share your feedbacks under the comment section of this video. Do not joke with this product. For those of you that may be interested in the ingredients, you can shop all these ingredients, the dried version, on Amazon. For those of you in Nigeria, check your GG, check your Jumia, check the markets. You can find this product sold everywhere. For fresh rosemary, those of you in Nigeria, check ShopRite. They stock this fresh rosemary there. Go ahead and make this. Do not joke with it. I expect you to share this video with anyone battling with postpartum hair loss, anyone battling with hair shedding, anyone having bald spots, having issues with their hair. Share this video and help a sister, and they will really thank you for sharing. For storage, if you want to store this product for longer, you can add preservatives, and I recommend guaryd 221 or ECT as your preservatives. These are natural preservatives. You can shop these on Amazon or anyone you know that sells all these products for formulation. You can store this short term in your refrigerator for only 5 days. After 5 days, this goes rancid. Some of you ask me, what do I mean by after 5 days this goes rancid? That's because it loses its potency after 5 days. These are natural ingredients. They can start fermenting. Yeah, even in your refrigerator. Microorganisms penetrate this even in your refrigerator. So the safest way to store this, so for some of you in school that may want to make this, the safest way to go is by adding preservatives, and I already mentioned the preservatives you can use. Please, you cannot use this for children under 2 years. From 2 years upwards can use this treatment. Do not start using this on babies. Please, I plead with you. Use kids products for them. There are a lot of kids products out there. Cantu have got theirs. Auntie Jackie have got theirs. I don't know about Shea Moisture. Please use those on them. Then after 2 years upwards, you can start using some of these ingredients. Is allowed. In case I don't mention some things and you may want to ask me questions, please bring it to the comment section and I will definitely reply you. Remember to share this video and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one.